What's going on, you guys? This is Chris with Patchboy.art, patches for the culture. And we wanted to take a second to show you guys one of the orders we received on our Etsy shop. It is for these Pulse Velcro patches right here. It's for the camera department, Pulse Season 1 of Netflix. Yes, you guys, you heard that right. We received an order from a camera department at Netflix. How cool is that, you guys? We are not too familiar with the show, but we did look it up and see that it is a series that is on Netflix right now. So how cool is that we got an order from people at Netflix, the camera department. I hope you guys find this video inspirational. You never know who is out there purchasing from you. They might be under anonymous names, but you might be getting orders from celebrities, production companies. You might be getting orders for patches that are going to be shown on TV. You just never know. So make sure you're putting yourself out there. You're putting your embroidery business out there. And keep on stitching, you guys, because you never know who's going to be ordering from you. These patches are all Velcro. We made 15 of them. So we got 3 more to do. We're just waiting on our other order of Velcro to come in because we just ran short. We are 3 patches short of Velcro. So once our rush order comes in today, we're going to finish these orders up and ship them out because they did pay for the next day air, which is an additional like $50 shipping charge. So that lets us know that they are definitely serious about getting these patches over to the Netflix facility. But how cool is that, you guys? We got our first big order from a Netflix special. Although it's not from the Netflix show itself, but it is from the camera department of the show. We just gonna keep on stitching, you guys. This is Chris with Patchboy.art. If you like the video, give it that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you are not subscribed to the channel already. We gonna get on out of here and we gonna keep on stitching. Peace.